If you've been searching for a way to boost your energy, support cellular health, and improve overall well-being, then you might have come across Mitolyn. But before you hit that buy button, there are some important things you need to know. Stay with me till the end, and I'll break it all down for you, no fluff, just the facts. Let's dive in. First things first, beware of fake Mitolyn products being sold on an authorized website. The only place to get the genuine supplement is from the official website. I've linked it in the description below, so you can order safely and avoid scams. So, what exactly is Mitolyn? It's a science-backed supplement designed to enhance mitochondrial function, the powerhouse of your cells. This means more energy, improved metabolism, and better overall health. It's especially beneficial for those dealing with chronic fatigue, aging-related concerns, and sluggish metabolism. Mitolyn is super easy to use. Just take 2 capsules daily with a glass of water, preferably in the morning. That's it. No complicated routines, no weird diets. Just consistency is key. You might be wondering, does it actually work? Well, according to scientific research and real user testimonials, many people have reported noticeable improvements in their energy levels, focus, and overall well-being within just a few weeks. Plus, the ingredients are backed by science, making it a reliable choice. And here's the best part, Mitolyn comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. So, if you're not satisfied with the results, you can get a full refund, no questions asked. That means you can try it 100% risk-free. So, is Mitolyn worth it? If you're looking for a natural, effective, and science-backed supplement to boost your energy and overall health, then absolutely. But remember, always buy from the official website to avoid scams. I've dropped the official link in the description below, go check it out now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.